I'm going to show you how to make the most delicious homemade mashed potatoes. So when it comes to choosing your potato, you want one that's going to be floury, a floury potato, okay? A russet or something like that. Yellow skin, yellow flesh is good to, it's good to remember that. So basically, it doesn't matter how big your potato is, just cut them into even sized chunks. We want them to be the same size so that they all cook at the same time and not turning some potato into mush. Pour your water, just enough to cover them, and we're going to do what's known as a parboil, which means we boil the water, and while boiling the water, we're cooking the potato. The potato will become nice and soft. You do need to pay attention, it will overflow if you walk away from it for 5 minutes or 10 minutes.
Whoop.
After about 20 minutes, stick a knife into it, and the knife should slide into the potato chunk really easily.
Job done.
And after you've tested
Get some
it,
mashing action in there.
that has happened, you can put a sieve on top of the pot and let all the water pour out past the sieve. Let your potatoes dry a little bit, maybe 4 or 5 minutes, and then you can start going in there with a potato masher and using lots of butter. I used a stick of butter. You could use a stick of butter and some cream, or you could use 2 sticks of butter. Although you got to remember, there's a lot of calories involved, and we don't want a super buttery thing, do we? Because that'll put people off,
Bit
right?
of pepper.
So moderation is key.
Bit of salt.
Then we're putting in black pepper and white pepper for seasoning.
Some
It's up to
Parmesan.
you how much you want in there, but don't go crazy with the salt, you know. Put a bit in, mix it up and taste it. And I
And
put
an
in
egg.
Parmesan pieces and an egg. Just the yellow of the egg, no egg white. Parmesan will give it a delicious flavour, and the egg will give us that
Let's
additional
taste this.
fat that I mentioned earlier,
Looks
but we
nice.
didn't use the butter or cream, right? The yellow of the egg is pure fat.
Yeah,
Taste
it tastes
test
really
it,
good.
and
We
it's
need a bit
done.
more butter.
Enjoy.